So guys, who remember this growing up in Jamaica? Who can tell me what them in my hand? Who no go to school and buy them all funny vendor them? $5, $10.
I know what they are, but I want you to tell me if you remember. Jog your memory. When you go primary school, me never say me in high school. When you go primary school, the vendor them used to sell them. What are they called? Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we have a lot to look at. Bounty Killer, Footah Hype, Lisa, Vybz Kartel. So stay tuned. If it's your first time on here, subscribe, leave a like on the video. But before we get into the Footah Hype, I saw this video and I was shook. Apparently this man went to do an HIV test. I don't know what the result is, but he started lay out all of the girls who went have sex with recently and said the doctor said them for come in. Check this out.
Boy, oh boy, I'm come a doctor. My beer ass. Keisha, all this. The doctor say if you get one of them there. You see it, eh? Samantha, all this. Doctor say if you get one of them there too. I'm not left you out too. You dirty blood clot. Stephanie, the doctor said I'm not left you out, eh? Yeah. I'm not left you out here, Stephanie. Yeah. Christian, I'm not left you out now either. The doctor want to see you. Can't show my face. Celine, come see the doctor. Abigail, doctor want to see you. Get to yourself active. I'm not on a joke.
Guys, both men and women, please stay safe. Strap up on yourself. You know, protect yourself at all times. Cause this not funny. This was scary to me. Whether I'm in joke or not, it just really scary. Anyways, guys, so on to the video. Footah Hype. So if it still that Imam Mavada and Kartel and Bounty business card in my family and the killer should reunite alliance, not for we would shame. That's what he said. However, the internet dragged his memory and reminded him of how much he disrespected Bounty Killer. Check this out.
Breath Killer said, yo, ready back, alliance at them. Tear on the whole America. Who can stop that? Bounty shitter, and me a ramp with. Bounty shitter, and me a ramp with. Where you get the nerve? Figure sit down in a one girl bed and shit. Yeah, batty man. Yeah, shit in the bed. End up having to clean up the bed and blood clot go lie down in a shit up bed. And a ramp with me. No boy. You see me? If killer get up a morning and say alliance reunion, Kartel and me youth, we have to go good. Killer and me G and me general, we have to go good. If killer say alliance a man, gully God have to fall in, everybody have to go busy, everybody reassemble. I'm not gonna shame. Miss Ivy vex with you when she pass off. R.I.P. Miss Ivy, may your soul rest in peace, although you can't peacefully a Batman grandson and a Batman son. But try your best, mama. Everything good under your fault. Yeah. Talk about that. Bounty Killer, I'm not touch half and not here. I hear some people talk. Tell boss. Wonder if them know say, if Bounty Killer get up on morning and decide say, he might go reorganize and centralize the alliance, a problem. You know Footah Hype. And you know say, you can't drive, no fear in me. A bad man image have you come like Guinness. Just big and black have an image. You hear that? You know me in a ramp. Bali but I ain't a killer. Don't to advance but I ain't a little nephew, you know. You are coward, you know.
Hey. Somebody in the comment section say Footah Hype a look friend from Bounty Killer because he frightened when he see Kartel and Bounty Killer a friend, because remember, you know, he tried to set them against them one another when he started comparing the whole private jet and jet blue foolishness, you know. Yeah, so after all of that you just heard, oh, and there was more. Do you think that like Vybz Kartel was forgiven by Bounty Killer? Do you think he will forgive Footah Hype? Let me know down in the comment section.
I have decided to show you a secret skill, talent of mine. I can eat a lemon without it being sour.
So guys, Remember the video I posted earlier about the guy, doing an HIV test? I don't know how true this is, but I saw this on Mila Moss page on Instagram. South Africa has successfully developed a cure for HIV. Well, the first HIV cure trial in Africa shows that 20% of trial participants remain off ART, and virally suppressed after 1.5 years. Results provide insights towards development of future HIV cure approaches. A pioneer clinical trial in Durban, South Africa offers new hope in the fight against HIV. Results are now 20% of the participants that did it were able to stop HIV medication for over 1.5 years. With their immune system successfully controlling the virus. This groundbreaking African-led study focused on women, demonstrates the effectiveness of combination, in boosting immune system after early HIV treatment and immunotherapy. So it looks like they found a cure. Of all places, a black nation. If this is true, this is very good. But see, our arm and leg, they're going to charge for that. Ooh, Lord, help us all. But you guys tell me what you think about that in the comment section.
Make money every day. Money, ignite the world.
That's Vybz Kartel new music video, Ignite the World. You can watch the entire video over his Vivo or his YouTube channel. Obviously, it's an old song, but he said he was going to do, new releases of his songs that he couldn't get to do while he was in jail. Still on Vybz Kartel, he just landed in Bahamas and he received a very warm welcome from the locals. Check this out. The man have a ball in Bahamas, me like how the locals them welcoming. It's very nice to see. Speaking of locals, there's this guy on TikTok that think that our locals, Jamaica, have the most beautiful women, and he said the reason why we have glowing skin is because we drink Walipa coconut jelly. Check this out.
If you've ever wondered why Jamaican women are the most beautiful in the world, I'm about to break it down for you guys. First, I notice every morning they sip on some coconut water straight from the source. None of that processed sugary stuff, just pure hydration that keeps the skin glowing. Second, they eat fresh fruit every day. I'm talking about mango, I'm talking papaya, I'm talking soursop, all that. These things are packed with enzymes, antioxidants, and nutrients that's going to help you detox your body. Also, Jamaicans don't rush through life like we do here in the States. Actually take time to eat, relax, and enjoy their meals. And of course, we can't forget about the lifestyle. Jamaicans are some of the most stress-free people I've ever seen. They live their lives, they enjoy the vibes, and they have a good time. Probably the biggest thing I noticed, Jamaicans rarely get sick. The biggest things I noticed during my trip is that Jamaicans swear by mullein. It's like their secret weapon for keeping their lungs clean, their breathing clean, and their immune system strong. Mullein is an herb that's been around for generations to help detox the lungs of excess mucus and fight off sickness. They drink mullein tea daily, and that's a big part of why they don't deal with like chronic congestion, sinus issues, allergies the way we do here in the States. These are the top 3 things I wish people warned me about before I went. First and foremost, the scenery is just too clean and picturesque. There is a serious risk you're gonna relax too much and not get any work done. Second, Jamaican women are so beautiful and charming you might fall in love. I literally spent half my food budget on Plan Bs because I was going crazy out there. Also, Jamaican food, insanely delicious. There's a serious chance you're gonna pig out and blow thousands because the food is so damn good. Even if you do pig out, it doesn't matter because let me tell you, Jamaicans are some of the healthiest people I've ever seen in my life.
In the end, I think he was trying to sell his gummy bear from that plant. Smart move. Because Jamaica will look about with talawa. So you have to sell with country first, then selling product. Kudos to you. You have to do what you have to do because I have to right? Alright guys, you guys tell me what you think about what he said. Are we the prettiest girls in the world? Let me know. I'm gonna be biased, I say yes. So if you're watching this video to this far, thanks for watching. Leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notification bell so you know when I make an upload. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.